Click on the link below to get price. Thanks for joining us. Today, we're diving into the innovative world of moisture control, and I have something truly groundbreaking to share with you. Get ready to meet the Dri-Eaz LGR 6000L commercial dehumidifier with pump. Now, if you've ever faced the challenge of water damage or high humidity, you know just how important effective moisture control can be. From flooded basements to damp commercial spaces, the impact can be devastating. But fear not, this dehumidifier is here to be your reliable partner in restoration and construction. Proudly made in the USA with globally sourced components, this isn't just a dehumidifier, it's your ally in preventing mold, protecting your property, and ensuring a healthy environment. But what sets the LGR 6000L apart from the rest? Let's talk numbers. This state-of-the-art machine is remarkably energy efficient and can extract up to 25 gallons of water per day. Yes, you heard that right, 25 gallons. To put that into perspective, that's more water than many competitors can manage in the same time frame. Just imagine the peace of mind you'll have knowing that your space is being effectively dried out, whether it's a basement, garage, or any commercial area. It's a robust machine that's built to last, making it a smart investment for anyone dealing with humidity issues. Now, one of the standout features of the LGR 6000L is its Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled command hub controller. Picture this, you're at home, maybe even enjoying some time with family or working at your desk, and you want to check on the humidity levels in your workspace. Instead of running back and forth to check the dehumidifier, you simply grab your smartphone. The Dri-Eaz Command Center Pro app and dashboard put you in control. With just a few taps, you can monitor the humidity and temperature, check maintenance status, and track drying progress. It's that easy. But that's not all. The design of this dehumidifier also features a convenient 40-foot water removal pump drain hose. Just set it up, kick back, and let the machine take care of the rest, no more tedious tank emptying required. Designed with your convenience in mind, this large yet portable unit rolls easily upstairs and can be stacked for hassle-free storage when you're not using it. What's more, the quiet operation makes it an excellent choice for a variety of settings. Whether it's homes, schools, offices, or even healthcare facilities, you won't have to worry about disturbing anyone while it gets the job done. Dri-Eaz has established itself with a reputation for durability and reliability, and the LGR 6000L lives up to that legacy. In fact, it currently boasts a commendable rating of 4.4 stars from 13 reviews. That's no small feat, and it speaks volumes about the satisfaction of its users. Speaking of user satisfaction, let's take a moment to consider how crucial efficient moisture control is. Imagine a school that just experienced flooding in the basement after a heavy rainstorm. That's a situation that demands quick action. The Dri-Eaz LGR 6000L can jump into action, restoring a safe and dry environment for students and staff. Or think about a family who has just finished a home renovation. With all the dust and debris, having a reliable dehumidifier running can help ensure that their newly painted walls and flooring remain intact and dry. And let's not forget the extensive lineup of products Dri-Eaz offers for water extraction and restoration. From the HEPA 700 air scrubber to the Velo Pro carpet dryer, Dri-Eaz has everything you need to keep your spaces dry and safe. So, why wait any longer? Elevate your drying capabilities today with the Dri-Eaz LGR 6000L commercial dehumidifier with pump. It's designed, molded, assembled, and supported right here in Burlington, Washington, ensuring that you're getting the best protection against moisture. Your spaces deserve the best, and with Dri-Eaz, you're choosing lasting results. As we wrap up this episode, I want you to think about the spaces you inhabit. Are you confident in the moisture control measures you have in place? Would a robust solution like the LGR 6000L make a difference for you? Thank you for joining us today, and remember, when it comes to combating humidity and protecting your property, Dri-Eaz is your go-to choice. Click on the link below to get price.